The piece that I did for Sheridan Phoenix was a huge ceiling piece spanning 40 feet that encompassed the area of the lobby. It was created in 6 separate sections and then shipped, and then I pieced it together when I got on site.
So this body of work that deals with VHS slipcases, I look to try to salvage and save these memories that I cherished as a child. So I started buying them and started kind of interjecting my paper sculptures within the work. Kind of fell in love with the treasure hunting aspect of gathering up these films, and I really became kind of like a cinephile.
Huntsville is a unique city because Redstone Arsenal is there, and in the 60s in the space race they were responsible for creating the Saturn V rocket that eventually got us to the moon.
We had a good deal of artists who really dug into the history of the building as well as sort of the space race culture of Huntsville at large. We also had pieces that were just dimensional representations of this space theme throughout the project without being kitschy and being really sort of unique in their interpretation.
Located across the street from Michigan State University, Graduate East Lansing evokes college town charm with artwork that adds a rich layer of personality and school spirit.
The Royal Sonesta Chicago downtown really evoked the same kind of artwork you might find in someone's home in Chicago. It was really meant to feel like a residential experience and one that drew abstractly on the city itself. So we found little ways to nod to Chicago through abstracted imagery or abstracted work, as well as really a strong commitment to using the work of local artists either in the Chicago area or the surrounding Illinois area.
Over 1,500 artworks of a broad range of mediums were curated for the Renaissance New York Chelsea Hotel, inspired by 2 key themes: evoking the feeling of a secret garden inspired by the hotel's proximity to the New York City Flower District, and weaving in references to the experience of touring a flea market in a nod to the property's location at the historic site of the Antiques Garage Flea Market. Situated in the heart of Central Texas, Austin is known for its bustling live music scene, laid-back charm, and access to nature. This sprawling metropolis has become a haven for its expansive community of artists and creatives. For the Nativo property, located in Rainey Street Historic District, Indiewalls is working with local artists to capture the essence of Texas in a variety of mediums.
The Dock House is one of the coolest spaces on board the Scarlet Lady, and even though it is definitely where you want to hang out and relax and sail those 7 seas, we knew we needed to add a layer of art and to warm up and create more texture and interest within the space, which really warms up and adds a little sparkle really to the Dock House.
For M Social in Times Square, Indiewalls helped rebrand a property looking for artwork influenced by its vibrant neighborhood in New York City. In just 3 weeks, we finalized custom artwork for the public spaces, including 5,233 square feet of wall murals. Ultimately, Indiewalls was able to deliver on time and in budget,